We have a triangle, A, B, C. Here are the clues. At the far left corner, angle A is equal to x. At the far right corner, angle C is equal to 2x. We are also given two side lengths. The long bottom base, AC, is exactly 11 units, and the short right side, BC, is exactly 5 units. Our mission is to find the exact area of the entire triangle. To solve this, we are going to draw one very clever line. Pick a point on the base, AC, and call it point D. We choose point D so that the length BD is exactly equal to the length AD. Now look at the new triangle on the left, triangle ABD. Since AD equals BD, this triangle is isosceles. And whenever a triangle is isosceles, its base angles are equal. The angle at A is x, so the angle ABD must also be x. Now comes a beautiful geometry theorem. The exterior angle theorem tells us that an exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So angle BDC is equal to x plus x. That means angle BDC is equal to 2x. Now, look at the triangle on the right, triangle BCD. Its angle at D is 2x. Its angle at C is also 2x. Since those two angles are equal, triangle BCD is also isosceles. And in an isosceles triangle, the sides opposite equal angles must be equal. So side BD is equal to side BC. We already know BC is 5 units. Therefore, BD is also 5 units. And remember, AD is equal to BD. Since BD is 5, AD must also be 5 units. Now, let's return to the entire base, AC. The whole base is 11 units. The left piece, AD, is 5 units. So DC must be 11 minus 5. That gives us 6 units. We are almost at the finish line. Drop a perpendicular line from point B down to the base DC. Let it meet the base at point M. Because triangle BCD is isosceles, a perpendicular drawn from the top vertex also bisects the base. So DM equals MC. Since DC is 6 units, each half is 3 units. Now, look at the small right triangle BMC. Its hypotenuse, BC, is 5 units. Its base, MC, is 3 units. That is the famous 3, 4, 5 right triangle. So the vertical height, BM, must be 4 units. Now for the final step. The area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. The base is 11. The height is 4. So the area equals 1/2 times 11 times 4. 1/2 times 4 is 2, and 11 times 2 is 22. So the exact area of the triangle is 22 square units. If you figured it out before the end, let me know in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next video.